Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. This is an important announcement for all my subscribers. This is so urgent, I have to bring it to your attention immediately before I film for tonight's video. There have been messages being sent to my subscribers on this channel. It's a scam. Okay, it looks genuine. It's got the YouTube logo, and I'll just put it up here so you can see while I'm explaining. It's got the YouTube logo on there and everything, and it says telegram me or something like that, and people have been replying to the telegram. However, it's a spam, it's a con. I have no idea what is going on. I've reported it. Please do not answer anything at all. I do not and will not contact anyone. Now, I never thought we'd be giving out a message like this ever on this channel. I do not contact anyone, ever, about anything. I very rarely answer any comments anywhere other than on YouTube. YouTube is very well policed and managed by Google and YouTube. Everything on Google and YouTube, you can see and we can answer it, and it's monitored. Everything outside of that, I have no control over. I don't do other platforms with comments and things. I just don't do it. I don't ask anybody for anything other than, you know, if you want to be a Patreon and help the channel, of course I need Patreons to help the channel, but I don't ask directly for anything. Nothing at all. Do not answer any emails. Do not answer any so-called emails on my behalf from YouTube or from anybody. It is nothing to do with me and Backyard Chef. Please be vigilant. I have no idea what is going on. I've reported it. I'm waiting to find out what has happened to some of the people who have actually replied immediately to this spam telegram. Okay, I'm going to upload this immediately so everybody on this channel can see this before anything happens to anyone else. And then we'll get on with the cook for today. So thanks for listening, and I hope I've managed to save some hassle for someone. I'm deeply sorry and I'm shocked. Thank you.